Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are discuss about the practicals from pharmaceutics 2. So previously in previous sessions we discussed about the incompatibility. There are total 3 types of incompatibility: physical, chemical and therapeutic. So now let's discuss about the chemical incompatibility. Chemical incompatibility may be a result of chemical interactions between the ingredients and a toxic or inactive product. It may be formed. The chemical incompatibility is of two types, that is, first one, tolerated and adjusted. In tolerated, in this the chemical interaction can be minimized by changing the order of mixing or mixing the solutions in the dilute forms, but no alteration is made in the formulation. And second, that is adjusted. In this chemical interaction can be prevented by addition or substitution of one of the reacting ingredients with the another of equal therapeutic value. Then precipitate yielding interactions. The precipitate formed due to the reaction between strong solutions may be diffusible or indiffusible. The method A and B is followed. So let's discuss in detail about method A and method B. Method A, which is for the diffusible precipitate, divide the vehicle into the two equal portions, dissolve one of the reacting substance in one of the portion and the other in the other portion. Mix the two portions by slowly adding one to the other. Method B, in this case, which is for indiffusible precipitate, dissolve the vehicle into the two equal portions, dissolve one of the reacting substance in one portion, weigh a suitable quantity of compound tragacanth powder, that is 2 grams per 100 ml, and transfer in a mortar and use the part of second portion of the vehicle to produce the smooth mucilage. Then add the other reacting substances, mix the two portions by slowly adding one portion to the other. So now let's move towards actual experiment. So now let's discuss about the experiment number 89. Title of this experiment is to identify the type of incompatibility and perform accordingly. Proposition 1 is, if the mixture contains only 6 minims per ounce of strychnine hydrochloride solution in and is also present, the strychnine when formed will not get precipitated. Proposition 2. Such a formulation results into simple mixture. Learning objectives are to understand the type of incompatibility and method of preparation and ability to prepare and label the mixture correctly. Apparatus required are mortar, pestle, funnel, measuring cylinder, cotton wool, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given is equal to 10 upon 180, that is equal to 0.056. Then this is the prescription given in the Latin terms. Let's discuss about the formula table in this type, that is the use of ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredient, quantity given in the imperial system, quantity given in the metric system for 180 ml, and quantity taken in the metric system for preparing 10 ml. So alkaloidal salt, that is the licorice strychnine hydrochloride. Then quantity given in imperial system is minim triple XVI, that is 36. 1 in minim is equal to 0.06 milligram, so 0.06 into 36, that is equal to 2.16 milligram. And next one, for calculating to prepare 10 ml, we calculated according to factor, that is 0.12 milligram. Then next one, ferric ammonium citrate, which is used as a hematinic, which is given quantity for this in imperial is drachm J, means 1 drachm is equal to 4 ml. So quantity given for the metric system, that is 4 into 1, 4 ml. Then quantity taken in the metric system is 0.22 ml. Then aromatic spirit of ammonia used as an alkaline solution. In this, the quantity given in the metric system is drachm 2, that is 1 drachm is 4 into 2, 8 ml. And quantity taken is 0.44 ml. Last, that is a water which is used as a vehicle. Quantities add ounce VI, means ounce into 6. 1 ounce is equal to 30 ml, so 30 into 6, that is equal to 180 ml. And quantity taken for preparing up to 10 ml. Direction: 1 tablespoonful to be taken after meal as directed by physician. So now let's discuss about the stepwise procedure for this particular formulation. Weigh out all the ingredients accurately, and after that mix the ferric ammonium citrate and strychnine hydrochloride in 3/4 of vehicle. After that, add the aromatic spirit of ammonia. If any particles are seen, then filter if necessary through the cotton. Make up the volume and transfer to a bottle, cork it, attach the prepared label and then submit it. Use of preparation is a hematinic. Result for this formulation is 10 ml of the mixture is submitted in plain glass bottle for inspection with special instruction on label as store in a cool place. So now in this way we are studied the particular chemical incompatibility in this particular type of formulation, in chemical incompatibility especially for the alkaloidal salts. So thank you.